right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using this hair from Harlem 125. This is the Easy Twin Braid. It is made with 100% Toyokalon fibers, and I have it in the color RT33. It is pre-cut, pre-picked, ready to use. The Toyokalon fibers makes it super soft to touch, and it does not tangle, so it's easy to use for braiding. I've already started braiding my hair, but I did leave a couple of sections open so that I can show you guys two methods. Before we get started, this is the edge control that I'm using. I'll definitely post it down below in the description box, but you definitely want to use an edge control just to keep the flyaways down. And so I am just putting this all around the part. So I'm using a medium to large size section of hair for braiding. And here I am just showing you guys how I'm holding the braiding hair, and it may look a little difficult, girl, but keep practicing and you'll get it. So I'm going to apply the hair onto my hair, and I'm going to start my braid. And the section of my hair that was out was incorporated with the middle section that I was holding. So I'll show you guys again, and this is actually the method without the rubber band, but I also want to show you guys how to do this with the rubber band. So if you don't know how to grip the hair, I think the rubber band may help you to just keep all the hair together and give it a nice, clean, sleek look. So take a look here and see how I do it with the rubber band. So I'm basically going to apply the edge control all the way around the part, okay? And then I'm going to take a simple rubber band, and I'm going to, you can make it as loose as you want or as tight as you want. So I'm showing you here how I wrap the hair, and then also how I'm holding the hair. So that middle section is where I'm going to be grabbing my hair. Do you see there? My hair is incorporated with that middle section of hair. And then I'm gonna start braiding. Now, the rubber band allows for your hair to stay gathered while you're braiding, while you're trying to do that first part of the braid, because sometimes that's the hardest part for people. So the rubber band method can be good for people who don't know how to grip the hair. And it looks exactly the same. I know how to grip, so it looks exactly the same. So you can do this using the rubber band method, you guys. So once I am done with the back, I'm going to start on the front of my hair, and that includes doing these two braids on each side, braiding forward. And it's always been a struggle for me to braid forward, but I lightweight did it. Okay, so I'm going to do that twice on both sides. And then on the top of my hair, the middle section, I'm going to be doing feed-ins. So a lot of people like to do feed-ins by taking a small amount of hair at the beginning and then moving down the braid and adding larger amounts of hair, but I use the same amount of hair throughout the whole braid. So it kind of gets thicker as you add more hair. So I'm just going to take one of those thin pieces of hair that I've set aside, and I'm going to add it using my, is that the pointer finger? Yes, I believe that's my pointer finger. I'm going to tuck it under my pointer finger and then braid down and then tuck it back under and then continue the braid. So I'm going to keep doing that, adding a piece of hair, tucking it under my pointer finger, braiding, and then tucking it back under and then braiding again. So I know it sounds difficult, but once you get the hang of it, you guys, you can really fly through this. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to braid. And then as you can see, I have one side all the way done. So that is my design layout. I like to do one side to lay it out, and then I'll mimic the other side based on what I've already done. So yeah, that side that's done is kind of my layout. And then I'm just going to do the same thing. All of the braids in the front are feed-in braids, so I'm just doing the same process, but adding a curve or two to some of the different braids based on how I did it on the other side. So just watch and see how I do this, guys. All right, you guys, now that I'm done with all of my braiding, I did dip the hair, my ends, into some hot water to seal them. And this Toyokalon hair is so soft, but you're still able to seal the ends with hot water. So that's what I did, and now I'm going to add a decorative look to it. So I'm going to add some beads and some jewels to my hair, and I got all of this from the craft section at Walmart, you guys. Do not sleep on the craft section at Walmart. They have everything you need. They have wire, they have thread, they have all kinds of yarn. Oh my goodness, that's where I go to get all of my hair things that I want to decorate my hair with. So I've added just about all of the decorative beads, and I did seal those beads in with a rubber band right at the tip just to ensure that those beads won't come out. I also added some gold string to it, and I believe I got that gold string from my beauty supply store. So yes, you guys, I love how these look with the blinged out hair jewels. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this style. Oh my goodness, you guys, definitely check out the Easy Twin Braid. The hair, it is so bomb. It's so soft. You guys would love it. Check the description box for all information on all of the products I use, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.